Do you know you can smoke fish in the oven and it still has a smoky flavor just like you made it in the charcoal grill? Well, I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve that, yes, with a smoky flavor. Trust me on that one. So let us jump right in. Right here I have my fish. It has been scaled, like I took out all the scales. You do not need to gut the fish, okay, because it's easy to gut it when it's already smoked or dried. Like I said, it has been scaled already. So the fish I'm using, this is a herring fish. In Cameroon, we call this one strong kanda. I don't know how they call it in other countries. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to salt it. The salting part is option, okay? Now add in some liquid smoke. I know some of you are wondering, like, why am I using too much of liquid smoke? This is gonna give the flavor of anything you wanted it to be smoky or to have a smoky flavor. So I will just rub that in perfectly. And what I usually do is when I put my liquid smoke and the salt, I will now let it sit for some time, maybe like 30 minutes, so that the fish can get all that beautiful smoky flavor. So I'll be using some wooden skewers here to wrap my fish. I love to wrap my fish like this because it easily like strains or brings out or squeezes out the water from the fish. So I'll put the tail inside the mouth of the fish and I use a skewer to combine both of them just like this. Now place it on a rack. You want to place it on a rack because you want the water to drain from the fish. So that's how I'm gonna place mine. At this point, make sure your oven is already preheated. Okay, I preheated my oven to 400°F, but when my fish is gonna go in, I'm gonna bring it down to 360 or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Your fish is supposed to be like smoking on low heat. It's not supposed to be too high because it's gonna get burned and it's gonna turn out like grilled fish. Another tip is when you turn off the heat, just leave the fish inside, so the residual heat is gonna make it firm up and hold up together. Do not turn off the heat and just take out the fish from the oven. Just leave the fish in there. If possible, leave it there overnight and it's gonna take a shape just like this. So you see how beautiful that is looking. It has been cooled. I left it in my oven overnight so that the residual heat is gonna make it firm up just like this. So guys, I hope you get to try out this recipe and you're gonna save a lot of money if you smoke your own fish. All these fish cost me about $7, yeah, for all of them. But trust me, you're never ever gonna see this fish already smoked for $7. You are not, like, never. So I'm just gonna open this up so you guys should see how smoky that is. This is the information on how to get the liquid smoke. It can also be shaped to you. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and until we meet again in my next video. Bye for now and take care.